Just broke down to 240, doing a whole entire structural tank reseal. Every pane on this joker came off. But see, them temporary fixes just to do the inside, it's not gonna work, y'all. I'm gonna let you know right now, it's not gonna work. You're gonna have to break the whole tank apart. Just say, for instance, I'm gonna tell y'all like this. Just say, for instance, you get a leak over here, right? Over here on the side, excuse me, YouTube. And you trying to repair it from the inside, okay? That's a temporary fix, y'all. It's not gonna hold. It's not gonna work. It worked for a little while, and that's over with. So what you really need to do is just break the tank down, pane for pane. Be careful how you doing it. Reseal the whole tank like I just did. Whole 240. Inside seal. Yeah, it gelled over. But I ain't gonna worry about that shit. That's the last thing I'm gonna worry about. Get some of this extra silicone. I forgot to do this side. My bad, YouTube. I had to get that out of there. But just basically what I'm saying is just reseal the whole tank, y'all. Just do the whole tank over. I got extra silicone in here because I just redid these seams and I forgot to get it out. Good thing I noticed this right now. That seam is good. This seam here. Yeah, that shit loud as hell. But yeah, just go ahead on, break the tank down, reseal the whole tank. That's how it should be done. When you get leaks from these seams. Leaks from these seams, just redo the whole tank. Cause you trying to take this seal out of here and seal it from the inside is not curing the problem where the water is leaking from in between the pane. It's just giving you a temporary fix. Trust me, I know. Why y'all think I just did this? But anyway, just to let you know too, the first time I sealed this was a temporary fix. This time is a permanent fix. Aquatic World Monster Fish Keeper Mac 10 on board. Aquatic World Monster Fish Keeper Mac 10